Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another Toolbox Topic quick tip with my man, TK421. Go!
Hey everybody, okay, removing a rear wheel without a bicycle mechanic stand on a quick release disc brake bike. This is never easy, it's never fun if you're out in the field doing this, but here's my technique. What I typically do is, well, first of all, what we want to do, if you remember, we always want to start off with having the chain in the highest cog in the back. That'll make things easier when we put the wheel back on. So since I'm not riding, I'm going to go ahead and do a go shift, release all the tension on the cable. Few spins, get this back on that high cog. Now the fun part. Again, I hold it with my knees. That's my technique for doing it. I'm going to undo the cam lever on this side to loosen it so that I can remove the wheel. Now, giving some slack on the derailleur, pushing it back out of the way.
Brandon,
and
I gotta come over to the other side.
And holding the wheel down, I'm lifting the bike up. And if you see that, comes right out. And now, if I'm out by myself, lay the wheel gently down, lay the bike gently down, non-drive side. Maybe do a little bit of practice runs before you have to do this in the real world. But that's how I do that.
Does it always work, Brandon?
Not always.